Welcome and the big Apple TV update. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Have you turned on your Apple TV today? If you have not, you are missing out on something huge. A massive new software update called tvOS 26.4 is finally here, and it is totally going to change how you watch your favorite movies and shows. What is inside this massive update? This new update is completely packed with amazing new features. It removes old useless apps, fixes big sound problems, gives you much better movie suggestions, and makes changing subtitles super easy. It is a very big deal for anyone who uses an Apple TV every single day to watch videos. Please like, share, and subscribe today. Before we jump into all these amazing details, I need a quick favor from you. Please hit that like button right now. Share this video with your friends and family who love tech. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new update from us. Let's get started. Faster speed and better performance. So, the big question is, should you download this new tvOS 26.4 update? Yes, you absolutely should do it right now. Apple made this new software much faster than the old one. They also removed a lot of annoying bugs that made the system slow and clunky. A very smooth Apple TV experience. Because of these behind-the-scenes fixes, your Apple TV will run very, very smoothly now. Moving through the menus and opening different applications will feel incredibly fast. So, if you are waiting to update, stop waiting and go install this new software today. Saying goodbye to old iTunes apps. The first really big change in this update is all about cleaning up your TV screen. Apple finally deleted the old iTunes Movies app and the old TV Shows app. For a very long time, these two separate apps just felt totally useless and extra on the home screen. A much cleaner home screen for you. These old apps are gone forever now. This is a very good thing because it keeps your TV screen clean and very simple to use. You will not have unnecessary clutter confusing you anymore. Now, everything you need to watch is safely inside one place, the main Apple TV app. The main TV app is getting better. By removing the old apps, Apple is forcing the main TV app to get better and better. All the good movies and shows are now in one simple location. We are very excited to see how Apple continues to improve this main application in the future. The annoying home theater sound problem. Now let us talk about sound. If you have a big home theater sound system, you know about the terrible audio pop problem. Sometimes, when you change a movie, the audio drops out, makes loud popping noises, or the lip sync gets delayed and ruins the movie. The new continuous audio connection. Apple finally fixed this headache. They added a brand new feature called continuous audio connection. You can find this by going to your Apple TV settings, then clicking on Video and Audio, and looking under the Audio Format menu. It is a total game changer for sound. How to make the audio fix work. There is one small rule for this new sound feature. You must be using Dolby Atmos sound, and you must use an HDMI cable to connect it. If your system does not support Dolby Atmos, you will not see this option. It also does not work for Bluetooth headphones or HomePods. Smooth sound without any loud noises. Instead of your sound system getting confused and switching formats all the time, the Apple TV keeps the audio locked in one single format. Whether you are moving through the menu, hearing UI beeps, or changing between shows, the sound stays perfect and smooth. A relaxing movie experience at home. It completely takes away the risk of harsh noises when audio formats engage and disengage. If you value a very smooth, delay-free audio experience in your living room, you will absolutely love this addition. It makes watching movies so much more relaxing. Smarter movie and TV show suggestions. Finding a good movie to watch at night can be very hard and boring. We all hate scrolling for hours on the TV. But now, tvOS 26.4 brings a brand new feature called Genius Browse inside the TV app. It works like a super smart search engine for your TV. How Genius Browse learns what you like. This feature looks at the exact genres and movies you already enjoy watching. It learns what you like and pulls great content from everywhere on the internet, not just from Apple. It creates special lists just for you based on your true Viewing history. Finding your favorite genres easily. For example, if you love to watch science fiction movies, it will easily find and show you more great movies like Star Wars or Marvel. If you love action, it will show you action. The categories always feel fresh, new, and very interesting to explore. No more wasting time scrolling. It is perfect for movie lovers who are tired of endlessly scrolling through bad movies. It is highly likely that Apple will keep rotating and updating these movie categories over time. This will keep your Apple TV home screen looking fun and exciting every single day. The old way of changing subtitles. The next major change is all about how you use subtitles on your screen. In the past, if you wanted to change how your subtitles looked, you had to stop your movie. You had to go all the way to the main settings app, which was a very annoying and slow process. Easy subtitle settings on the fly. Now, everything is much better and faster. You can change how your subtitles look without ever leaving your movie. Just open the playback menu while the video is playing on your screen. You will see a brand new menu right there to control your subtitles. Make subtitles look exactly your way. You can now choose exactly how the words look on the TV. You get easy options like classic text, very large text, outline text, or even transparent backgrounds. My personal favorite is the outline text because it is very clear and does not cover up the movie. Custom styles for easy reading. If the normal options are not good enough for you, you can even make your own custom style. You can pick your favorite fonts, change the text colors, change the background opacity, and make the words bigger. This is a massive win for everyone who reads subtitles. Final thoughts on this massive update. So, what is the final verdict on the new tvOS 26.4? In my honest opinion, this update is absolutely fantastic, and you definitely need to install it today. It makes everything on your TV better, from the home theater sound system to the smart movie menus. Thank you for watching our video. The continuous audio connection solves real headaches, and the new subtitle menu is incredibly convenient for everybody. Plus, cleaning out the old apps makes the TV feel modern. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Please do not forget to hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and keep supporting us. We will see you in the next video.